Alright, let's send this bad boy up there. Oh lordy. Well guys, we made it out to Uwharrie National Forest. We just hitting the OHV trails right now. See how they are. Haven't been here out in a long time. It's a fun place for sure. If it's dry, if it's wet, this is hell to ride. So I'm pretty stoked that the place is dry. I'd rather have it dusty than being slick. So I take that every day out of the year. And yeah, let's see what we can do here. We found a few more guys to ride with, so now we have a bigger group. Let's see, it should be fun. Let's see what the T7 can do out here. It's Labor Day weekend, guys. People out here with the Jeeps doing trail riding and stuff, so I suspect that it's gonna be a little congested, sorry. But hey, it's all fun. Alright, let's send this bad boy up there. Oh lordy. Ooh, I haven't been out in a while. Didn't remember how this works out here. Beautiful. Heck yeah. It's nice and easy, and take my time here with the clutch. Ooh. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of stopping today with the bigger vehicles. But you know, just proper etiquette. Just be nice and respectful, and everybody can be out here and have a good time. I'm just putting around here in first gear, making our way through this. Here we're side by side, slowing us down a little bit. Yeah, that's nice. He's pulling over, letting us through. That is great. Thank you, brother. Oh man, here's some rocky stuff going on here. This is more enduro riding than adventure. But the T7 does it like a gent. This thing is unstoppable. I mean, the Tenere can go wherever you want. I think the limitation is the rider, it's not really the bike. Holy shit. Don't boost me. Uh-oh. He's running hard. Something that happens in the trails. These crawlers, they crawl, they ride so slow so they can make it up and down here. Some of them just overheat. It's just part of the game. Wow, look at that mud hole. Holy shizzle. Man, I don't want to go through there with the bike. I'm going to tell you guys, editing this video is going to be tough because there's so many great trails out here, but I cannot do an hour video of just us riding. That's going to be way too boring. So I'm going to try to get you guys the best footage I can. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Nice little downhill. Yeah, I gotta maneuver down here. Easy does it. There's no need to rush this. Oh, we got more jeeps. Ooh, I heard that. That was my dash plate. Uh-oh. It's getting hot. Getting hot on my helmet.